Hey, in this video, I will show you how to find a YouTube channel email. Unfortunately, you cannot do it on a mobile device or from your phone or from the studio app. So the easiest thing is to just use a computer. So what you want to do is just click on any channel that you like, just like so, or just type in the channel, the topic, for example, let's say Forex. Just click on whatever comes up. You want to click on the here because there's no about section right now. You want to click here, and then you have the view email option. Click on it. You have a captcha, which right now doesn't show those, so let's try another channel. I'll use my other channel, I guess, Dr. Niki. So going here, here, and here, you want to click on view email. And right now it's bugging, but it has the anti-captcha. You click on it, and when that's done, you'll be, oh, here it is, not a robot. Sometimes you need to refresh it a few times, just like so. Verify. And now you click submit. And here you go, here is the email. That's all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe if you're new, and I want to see you next one.